Preparao ya el mga supporters del Presidential Mayor Rodrigo Duterte para el de visitar ang nasyonal de Zamboanga na Lunes. Asigun pa ng antes presidente del IBP Zambasulta Chapter, Attorney Emilio Aquino. Sila el conduci con el Motorcade antes de anda sila ng Zamboanga City Coliseum para el de political rally junto con el Vice Presidential Senador Alan Peter Cayetano.
We are all looking forward. In fact, preparations are underway. We been totally excited, no, because we expect a good crowd. In fact, una sa diyang concern how to deal with crowd control. So far, we expect him coming over kasi on May 2, no, as he's flying in from Pagadian.
Antisipa asigun si Aquino que liaga miles del mga supporters di Duterte, el quien participa na di la Motorcade, iabuya na Coliseum. Por eso, ahora pa lang, sila ta-areglaya con el posible traffic congestion que liaba el presensya di Duterte.
Conservatively, we would expect the entire Coliseum to be filled up, no? And we do expect outside then also will have to be filled up. So, in fact, we are checking kita mga LED walls, no, outside, just only so that those who could not no longer be accommodated. That's why probably we are asking kanila to please first come first serve basis for those na pwede pasensya, but checking kita LED walls afuera.
Takre si Aquino que tiempo ya para chen un Mindanaoan presidente el país itakreele que el puede resolver con el problema del crimen y droga na nasyon.
Every time you open the TV, what do you see? Di ba? Mira, it's all sorts of really, really bad news. Beheadings here, you know, rape there, kidnappings and all. People just don't feel safe at all. I am a lawyer myself and I know how it is, and that's we have to deal with those realities. But I'm afraid for my children, my grandchildren. Siyempre, todo kita tiyan miedo di aton mga anak. That explains even why the OFWs, no, overwhelmingly supports Digong.
Yalegaya también el Advance Party de Duterte, ten cabeza el abogado también si Attorney Larry Pasquil. Takre también asigun ele que grande cambio el cosa puede llevar si Duterte na di aton nasyon.
El overall kwan di mayor is kita lang tan mas malo kinasamuanga, kita lang matahan, ikaw lang kita Pilipino. His campaign is for the welfare of everybody.
Yalarga también pasaplit el mga abogao acerca el cosa ta asesale el senador Trillanes que asigun chen escondido sen si Duterte na bangko.
Timing this issue, he did it right after the debate where Mayor Duterte won't have a time to, you know, refute it on the air. So it's purely black propaganda. Because if I were to believe him, he got is from various sources, no? Yan singaw era sa even before. Such an amount, no? 200 cuanto million daw, talya. Porque ara lang, kasi sali.
Este Mayo 2, amo el primer vez tiempo ya visita el alcalde del Davao para mankampanya na siyudad de Zamboanga. Albert Luna, Dateline Zamboanga.